Put this on your story and see how many hugs or date you get. Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my account you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So go here and you have to click until you find the desired sticker. And I also have many others viral stickers right here, so you can check this too if you want. And I have the tutorial in the YouTube, of course. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get that link if you are not able to click on it in the Instagram app. So wait for me to do the story first. We have to go to our uploads and choose a background photo. Of course, you can choose a photo with you. I will go with this photo right here. It's a little blurry, but this is just an example for you guys. And from here you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, and then here you have to go to poll, and then go to yes here, and you have to type in crush, and then here you have to type in love, and then click on the done button from the right top corner and place it where you want. So once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So now let me show you from where you can get that link if you are not able to click on the add yours button. From my page you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you will find the first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.